Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and keep the key out. Once done, you remove the plastic engine cover and locate the alternator. This saves time later. Next, relieve belt tension with a serpentine tool on the tensioner. Note the belt path or take a photo. Make sure to set tools within reach: 10 mm and 13 mm sockets, long extension, and a ratchet. Don't skip wearing gloves. You'll thank yourself when fingers meet hot metal. With the belt off, you unplug the main electrical connector and the small plug. Press the locking tab firmly to avoid breaking it. Then loosen the mounting bolts. Start with the top bolt so the alternator pivots down. Support the housing with your other hand as the lower bolt backs out. Once free, lift the alternator out carefully. Inspect the bracket and shims. Compare the replacement to ensure terminals, mounting ears, and pulley match exactly. Otherwise, swapping may require additional parts or adapt. You position the new alternator, thread bolts by hand, then torque to factory specs while keeping the unit aligned. Next, reinstall the belt using the tensioner and confirm proper alignment on all pulleys. Incorrect alignment causes noise and failure. Reconnect the electrical plugs and the battery negative. Start the engine and use a multimeter at the battery. You should see roughly 13, 8 to 14, 6 volts. If it reads low or 0, check the battery ground, fusible link, and connector corrosion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.